I have no problems with him. It's just let him say what he wants. If he wants to run for governor, he should come back and say, I want to run for governor. We know we have a candidate. I've asked my younger brother to keep his himself and Ben cannot run together. That's the truth. So if he wants to run, let him come out and declare I'm running for governor. So we prepare to win the governorship. If he's not running, let him go back and run for his House of Rep. We know we are preparing to go for House of Rep. So you cannot be a holder and also be a beholder. That is where I stand.
So would you support him if he wants to run?
I'm a party man. I'm a very good party man. Very, very good party man. The Channel TV will tell you. Last night in Politics Today, I said I will pull trigger. When a man tells you he pull trigger for his party, you're educated, isn't it? What is the definition of pulling trigger?
To kill, sir.
To go to any length. To go to any length.
It means I will lay down anything to support my party. That's it. That's what it means by pulling trigger. So all these idiots who are looking for food to talk and they are talking about party. The party is very strong. The party here is very strong. That is the truth. I'm sure you people know our movement. You know the logical movement. You know the reality organization. We are very strong. Even if the APC is not strong, we are very, very, very strong. We can pull surprises anytime, to anybody, to any place, at any time. So we are ready.
Do you think your party has the chances of winning the next election?
Yes, it's possible if we...
2027?
Of course, if we come together, why not? We can produce the governor. If we work very hard, that is it. Every job is hard working. If you don't work hard, you don't lick orange. Yeah. If you run in school, in those days, if you are doing it at house sports, it's only people who run, who were the people that were doing athlete. They are the people that will be giving the oranges. So